It's at 170 on the internal. I already checked it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Okay, we are about to grill some pork ribs. Okay, so this is going to be so easy, y'all. It's hot, it's summertime. Let's get outside, let's light up the grills, and let's get to barbecuing. Okay, now here I have two half slabs of ribs. I've already rinsed them off. And what you see here is me pulling off that membrane, y'all. It is so important to remove that membrane from the back of your ribs. Sometimes you might get lucky and you might buy a slab of ribs where they've already removed it for you, but more often than not, that membrane will be there. So make sure you get that off. If you don't, your meat is just going to be too tough, too chewy, and it kind of, you just don't want to do it. Just get it off. So now you want to season your meat. This is so, y'all, making ribs is just like so easy. You're just going to rinse your meat, remove the membrane, and season it and throw it on the grill. That's it. Like 4 easy steps. Just 4. Okay. I'm using SPG seasoning. That's short for salt, pepper, garlic. This is an all-purpose seasoning. It is perfect for pork and chicken. Okay, so yeah, I'm using this seasoning. I'm just going to season it really good front and back. So if you don't have access to this particular brand, okay, you can simply use salt, pepper, and garlic for your ribs. You can also use seasoned salt, or you can use Lawry seasoned salt. Just make sure that whatever seasoning you use, just keep in mind you don't want to over salt your meat because then it will come out too salty. But you do want to season your meat really good. But when you're working with any seasoning that's kind of high in sodium, just keep it in mind. You don't want to have salty meat. So we've seasoned both sides of the meat. Now we're just going back over and we're just hitting a few parts or a few areas of the ribs that just was a little bare, didn't have no seasoning on them. So you want to make sure that you take a good look at your meat, and if you see any spots with no seasoning, you know what to do. Add some seasoning to it. All right, so let's go outside. Okay, so we are going to barbecue the ribs on the grill at a temperature of 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, and we are going to barbecue the ribs over indirect heat. Okay, so in other words, we're going to place the ribs opposite of the barbecue coals. And speaking of coals, we used lump charcoal, just a little for you to know. We use lump charcoal. Okay.
Ooh. See the meat pulling back from the bone?
Mm-hmm.
You want to get a good shot. It's pulling back. That's what you want to see.
Doing point to it again.
You want to show that. Ready? I'm gonna flip it.
All right, so this was 2 hours into the cook time. We're gonna flip the ribs over. We want to make sure that the meat is cooking evenly. So make sure you flip your meat and then cover it. All right, so here we go. 4 hours. The ribs are done. Now, I always tell y'all to use a meat thermometer, aka food thermometer, and make sure that you check those internal temperatures once it reaches, I believe it's 170. Okay, could be 175, could be 165. Somewhere within that range, your meat is done. Okay, and this meat is done, and this is what it looks like. And this was so good, y'all. Like, it was so good, and it was just so easy. Okay, I haven't done oven baked ribs on my channel. Okay, so I'm just giving y'all the barbecue grill ribs, but stay tuned because I will show y'all how to do your ribs in the oven, because I'm not sure if I have an audience that, you know, is really into grilling and, you know, outdoor cooking and stuff like that. So that's why I'm just, you know, just putting that out there, just letting y'all know. So the ribs were really tender. They were really delicious, and you know, we were going to eat these without barbecue sauce, so that's why you won't see us add any sauce to it. But just so that you know, my favorite barbecue sauce is, what's the name of it, y'all? I'm having a brain fart. Sweet Baby Ray's. I cannot believe I almost forgot the name. Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce is my favorite sauce, and I don't spruce it up. I don't add anything to it. It's perfect. Okay, perfect. But yeah, in the next clip, I will show you, this is what the ribs look like with the barbecue sauce. Okay, and we paired the ribs with potato salad. We had baked beans. Oh my goodness, it was so good. We had some Hawaiian rolls. Yeah, it was really good. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Get outside, y'all. Enjoy this beautiful weather. Make yourself some barbecue ribs. Let me know how yours turned out. Okay, and I hope to catch y'all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.